All right, the day is over. So let's go over third video of the day on Tesla. Keep you updated here. So we got a fifth wave down in the last video. I went over kind of a weird 5-wave move because this came back into the first wave, but I think that's what it is. We basically hit the 1.61 fib. I was a little bit off on this bottom. This ended up making one more 5-wave move down here to 237.80. But then we got a nice bounce into the close right here. Could that be the end of the fourth wave? It could, but I don't think it is. I think it needs to bounce longer than an hour and a half. The second wave lasted 4 hours, so I guess it could be a fourth wave, but I think it's likely that it's going to bounce up here to this parallel line minimum and potentially more. So we'll see tomorrow what happens. On smaller time frames, what do I want to see if I'm bullish? I want to see tomorrow, I want to see this blast past 241.25, break this parallel line, and be a 5-wave move. I want to see this. If you're looking for a fourth wave, if you're bearish, then you would like to see that be the top and then maybe do something like this. And then potentially that. And then head down here to 228. So tomorrow will be very telling what happens. And I would say I'm expecting a little bit more upside. And then the way that this is going, I would probably expect 228. Just by the way it's going, but I could be completely wrong. They have non-farm payroll tomorrow. I'm not sure how that's going to affect the market. Let's look at QQQ. So QQQ, I don't know if I went over this yesterday. This looks like a truncated fifth wave here to me. It could be a triangle though too. Some kind of like triangle where this is, and then it comes down after that. So that's possible. Either way, or either that or it's this. Whoops. And we head up here. If we head up here more, then Tesla should take off and start retracing at least. So there is this demand zone down here at 476 though, so you got to be careful. It's going to be interesting because Tesla has something down, has a gap here at 228. If this were to come down here to 475, I'd probably expect Tesla to come down here to 228. So we're going to find out how long this fourth wave can last, or if that was just kind of a way of shaking out calls and then they raise it up here tomorrow and we start moving higher. There's still a slight possibility that this is a fourth wave. Slight possibility. This would have to be pretty deep fourth wave. Still a slight possibility. So tomorrow will tell us everything. If it does end up coming down here to 228, you can see the first wave ended right here. So that would invalidate any upside. Upside's gone if it comes down here to 228. So for that reason, I would think that they would bring it up tomorrow because it would be too obvious. If they bring it down to 228 and then retrace it, it's going to be too obvious that the move is finished. If they retrace it now, maybe as a fourth wave or something else, then it puts a little bit of indecision on people's minds. They don't know what's going on, and it's still possibly a fourth wave, so it could go either way. So for those reasons, I'm expecting up, but if it's a fourth wave, 228 is very possible. So we'll find out what QQQ ends up doing tomorrow. I'm going to lean towards upside on both Tesla and QQQ, and we'll see what happens. If you like these videos that are helping you out with your portfolio or your trading, please donate for the channel, buy me a coffee on the homepage, or sign up for the subscription to support the channel. It's only like $3 a month. So that is it for this video. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I will catch you in the next video.